If you want to learn how to pose, I have a great news. You actually don't need to learn all poses that exist. You just need to learn one pose and know how to modify this pose to make it look different. Basically, there are two pose modifications: different camera angles and small body adjustments. For example, I will show you here on the screen. Today in this studio I was filming my client and I asked her to sit in one pose and I was moving all around her. You can look at this.
I had a lot of opportunities to move to the right, to the left, shoot from above, shoot from below. Plus I moved farther and closer. In this case you can also photograph one pose totally different. In total, in this pose out of one I made 7.
When I finished with all my camera angles, I started to use second modification, which is small body adjustments. And I also want to make here note. You can use together small body adjustments and camera angles. And together this combo will give you a lot of possibilities and different poses. What kind of adjustments you can make? You can keep hands straight or closer to the face. You can bend the elbows. A model can touch hair, can touch clothes, can put hands in the pocket, can cross hands. Hands can go like near the face or maybe touch different body parts. So basically this list can go on, and with the hands there can be a lot of different adjustments. If you're talking about legs, then it depends on the pose, but basically legs also can be straight, can be bent in the knee, can be put on tiptoe.
During whole photoshoot I was moving around my model and I asked her to change small body adjustments. And in the end you can see on the screen, from one pose I managed to make 21 different poses just because I was moving upper, lower, farther, closer. And I also during this movement I asked her to change some small parts.
And don't forget to practice. You can always sit in front of the mirror or put your camera in the video mode and practice in front of the phone. Anyway, just practice. The more you practice, the better your posing will be. And I would be super happy to see your result. Tag me under your photos. See you in the next video.